What's up everybody, this is Danny, and today I have the much anticipated Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. Let's do an unboxing so you can see what comes inside the box, and we'll go over the new features, and I will give you some samples from this monster camera system to show you what you can expect when you get yours. The box is nice and minimal and shows you the color of your Note 20 Ultra. This is the fresh new color Mystic Bronze. Let's go ahead and set that to the side and see what else comes inside of the box. On the top lid, there is a little box. You get a SIM card ejector tool. Inside, you just get some bathroom reading, and this time is just the quick start guide. There's not a whole lot in this box. The first thing you get is the adaptive fast charger. I know there were some rumors of them not including a charger, so that is a good thing. Next up, you get the USB-C to USB-C cable for data and charging, and that's basically it for the unboxing experience. Depending on your region, there may be AKG headphones included along with the ear tips, but in the US they won't be included, but you will be able to request them through customer care if you want the wired headphones for no charge, so that's awesome. Let's peel off the little bit of plastic that they have on the phone. I did notice that on my unit there isn't a pre-installed screen protector. This could be because the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra is the first phone to ship with Gorilla Glass Victus, which is supposed to have twice the scratch resistance, so I'll let you know if that holds up in the full review. If you want to get a good idea what the sizing is like on the new Note 20 Ultra, here is the Note 9 next to it, so you can see that there is a good size difference there. And here is the Note 10 Plus, which a lot of people will be upgrading from, so here they are side by side. If you're wondering what that finish is on the Note 10 Plus, that is the teardown skin from the channel sponsor Dbrand, where you can see the internals of the phone. It looks sick. I'll leave a link down below for you if you want one. Here is the iPhone 11 Pro Max next to it with a Dbrand pastel skin on it, so those fresh summer colors are also available. But yeah, the new Note is no small phone. Finally, here it is next to the Galaxy S20 Ultra. They are similar in size, but the Ultra feels heavier. The Note 20 Ultra is boxier in design compared to the softer rounded corners of the S20 Ultra. If you were back and forth on getting the new Mystic Bronze color, don't be, because it looks amazing in person. The back is a little bit more of a matte finish, which I wasn't expecting, almost like a mix between that and a frosted finish. It looks absolutely gorgeous. This camera looks mean with this 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, 108 megapixel main sensor, and the telephoto that has 5x optical zoom and also has a 50x hybrid zoom. But the big differentiator between this and the S20 Ultra is the laser autofocus. In my testing, this makes a huge difference to the autofocusing performance. It literally hit every time, so I'm super happy about this. I also noticed a huge improvement to the live focus mode. This might not be related to laser focus, but I'm assuming it is because it ranges distance, so nice improvements there. But damn, is this the biggest camera bump that I've ever seen. Baby got back. It's pretty the way that they designed it, but you will need a case on this. You do not want to drop it on that camera hump. So let's go over what's new. There's a fantastic 6.9 inch, get ready for it, Edge Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display. Let me catch my breath, that is a mouthful, but regardless, it's a phenomenal display like you would expect from Samsung, and it does have a 120Hz refresh rate, which I'm a big fan of, but I wanted to let you know that it is an adaptive feature, and it's only available in the Full HD Plus resolution. If you max out the resolution, you'll be back to 60Hz, so I hope this changes in a future software update. You got all the mobile power that you need packed inside. You get the extra power of the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 processor with 12 gigabytes of RAM, so performance is going to be zero issue with silky smooth gaming. This is paired with a 4500 mAh battery and stereo speakers, so the media experience is a great one. Everything that you would expect from a flagship is here too. IP68 water resistance, wireless charging, reverse wireless charging, micro SD card slot that can add up to 1 terabyte of extra storage, 5G connectivity, Wi-Fi 6, in-display fingerprint scanner, fast share that is like AirDrop on iPhones, and to me, one of the coolest things that no other phone has, and that is wireless DeX. No cable needed. Now you can cast a desktop-like experience right on a Miracast compatible display like Samsung TVs. Pair this with a wireless keyboard and mouse, and now you have the ultimate homework setup. Xbox Game Pass is also available. If you're into streaming Xbox games, this could be a cool way to game on the go. I'll leave a link to my buddy Endabong's video where you can get an idea of what the Note 20 Ultra can do when it comes to gaming. Spoiler, it's legit. The phone basically has all of the features that you can ask for, but of course, the biggest reason to buy this phone is the S Pen. It all depends if you use it or not, but for the right person, it could be very powerful. Of course, you can still control your camera with the S Pen, but there are some new features added. There are new anywhere gestures for back, home, recent apps, smart select, and screen write. You get to open up PDFs to annotate over. You can choose templates, and that is nice. It makes it a lot easier to take notes in my opinion. You can export to Word and PowerPoint, which is also great, and you can add audio bookmarks to your notes, which I think will help a lot of students out. You can also straighten out text and also change the style as well. I'll go over the S Pen in more detail in my full review, so stay tuned for that. So let's get to those camera samples that you've been waiting for. I just took it out yesterday and just started snapping pictures and video. All of the images are non-edited, straight out of the camera. The one thing that I am really excited about is the Pro Video mode, all compatible with 8K video recording with audio options, which is amazing. So I'll be showcasing that very soon. Let me know what you think about the Note 20 Ultra and these images. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for a lot more, including camera comparisons. You don't want to miss those.